The Sephora gift sets are here, and today I'm unboxing, trying on, and reviewing all the products in the Sephora Favorites Holiday Must-Have set. At the end of this video, I'll give you my honest review of if I think this set was worth it or not. All right, let's get into it. Okay, the Sephora Favorites Holiday Must-Have set. This is Sephora's everyday best-selling products. So in this set, you're gonna get 4 full-size products, 3 deluxe-size products, and 4 mini-size products. And the price of this is 74 Canadian dollars or 69 US dollars. So I wanna start with the full-size products, then deluxe, then mini-size products. So the first full-size product is the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This was in one of the holiday sets last year, so I already have a bottle of this, and I think they also included a mini in the calendar as well. They love this product in the gift sets. It's also really popular. A lot of people rave about this product. For me, I'm not a huge fan. I don't really see the purpose of it, but a lot of people really love it. So if you like this, you get a full-size bottle, which is really good value. Our second full-size product I am so excited about. It was one of the reasons why I wanted this set. It's the Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil in the shade Pinch Me Pink. I have not tried this product before. It looks stunning. Like, I love this color. So let's try it on together. So this is a weightless cream blush made with hyaluronic acid that's supposed to hydrate and plump the skin. It also says it has a light coverage with a radiant finish. So let's see. It is really unique. It didn't look like it's going to be creamy, but it is. So let's go in and see. Ooh. So this is a really soft pink shade. It is very weightless on the skin, but I can tell already it's very sheer, but in a really pretty way. I actually really like that this isn't super pigmented. And it says it's supposed to have like a subtle luminous finish to it. I think that looks so pretty, very subtle, but very glowy, very natural with the skin. It is one with the skin, which I love, especially for a no makeup day. I want to see how it builds just so we know. Add a little bit more. It does look like it's buildable, but still a very sheer wash of color. It's beautiful. I really like this. I find that a lot of products are going for a high pigment, which is normally what I like, but there is something to be said about a very subtle, sheer, natural looking blush as well. Okay, this looks stunning. I love it. This was a win for me. Let's move on to the next product. Our third full-size product is the Glossier Boy Brow in Clear Transparent. I have not tried this product before. It looks like a standard brow gel to me. I'm kind of picky with what I like in a brow gel because I have thicker brows. I like something that really holds them in place. So since my brows are done, I'm going to wait to try this, but we'll see. This one could be hit or miss for me. Our fourth full-size product, I'm so excited for this. This is the Haus Labs PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava, which is supposed to be a soft, warm pink. I love Haus Labs products. I haven't tried this before. I'm so excited. Let me just show you how pretty this color is. And it has that nice doe foot applicator as well. So this is supposed to be hydrating, plumping, and a high shine finish. Well, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. That's definitely high shine. I actually thought it was gonna come on a little bit more pigmented, but the formula feels way more lightweight than I thought it was going to. It feels really nice on the lips. Definitely hydrating. The color's super subtle as well. I thought it was going to be a lot darker and more intense, but it's super pretty. I love it, and I love the way it feels on my lips. Okay, this is beautiful. I love this. It's definitely a second win for me. We're doing so good so far. Okay, our first deluxe product is a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Jasmine and Pink Grapefruit Perfume Spray. I already have this. It's lovely. I really like it, so I'll probably give this one away, but I love this for deluxe size. It's such a nice size bottle, and it smells really pretty. Our second deluxe size product is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. You've probably already heard about this. It is one of my favorite primers. I love how grippy it is. This is a little small for a deluxe size product, I will say, but it's really great size for traveling. Our third and final deluxe size product is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. I have this product. I love this product. This looks really small, but it's actually not that much smaller than the actual size full-size product. So I actually think this is a pretty good size for deluxe, and again, a great size for traveling. Moving on to our mini size, our first mini size product is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I have to say, I've bought this exact size from Sephora. I think it cost me $13, and this is what they consider a mini size. So this is really good value. I would even call this a deluxe size product. This is also super popular. You've probably heard about it, but it's a really good exfoliant. It just helps with tone, texture, acne. It really really gives you a great canvas for makeup. I find my makeup applies better when I use something like this, so I'm really happy they included that. Our second mini size product is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Riri. So it's a shimmering rose mauve nude. I love that they put such universally flattering shades in the set, so I think they're all gonna look good on everyone. This looks so pretty. I have to show you this up close. It's the prettiest mauve color, but it has like these gold flecks. I don't know if you can see. I have tried Gloss Bomb before, and it's one of my favorite lip glosses. So I am really excited to see this shade because I have not tried it. I also really love the big applicator they have on this lip gloss as well. Let's see. Oh, something about this formula. I don't know how to describe it. It is so smooth for a gloss. Ooh, that is so pretty. I love this. I really need to see this up close. I'm obsessed with that. That pink, it's interesting. It has gold and purpley shimmers in it. Like it kind of reflects depending on what way you hold it under the light. I love that. That is stunning. And the formula of this, honestly, it's one of the best ones out there. Something about the way it feels on my lips. It is so comfortable. I don't know. I really like it. This one, such a slay. I'll probably buy this in the full size. Our third mini size product is the Grande Lash Peptide Lash Enhancing Serum. I've used this before, but on my eyebrows, and I really like it. I will say the full size is quite expensive. I do think it works. So depending on if you like this kind of product, I like it. Our fourth and final mini size product is such a good one. It's the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in the shade Outshine. I own this, but in a different shade. I haven't tried the gold one yet, so I'm really excited. Should we go right in? Let's do it. Let's just see. Go in really light-handed. I'm just gonna use my finger. That is really pretty. Let's go and put a little bit more on. If you've never used this product, it blends super well. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush. It's not a super blinding highlighter, but I really like it. I think it's super pretty. Can you see that? Really nice. Love it. Not everyone wants a blinding highlighter, so I think this one's safe. It's also very user-friendly, which is nice. Stunning. Went out with a bang. I love that. Plus, even in the mini size, this is gonna last like forever. All right, so that's everything that was in the holiday must-have set. Now, do I think this was worth it? For me, absolutely. I think this set was so good. There's very few products in there that I'm uninterested in. I really like most of these products. A few of them I'm super excited about. So for me, the value is definitely there. If you want to know if this set's worth it for you, I'm gonna make it really simple for you. So this Makeup by Mario is full size. On its own, this would cost $41. This Haus Labs lip gloss on its own costs $36. So together, if I were to buy these two on their own, it would cost me $77. But this set, for everything all together, only costs $74. So even if I only use these two products, the set's worth it. Let me know, what were your favorite products that you saw in this set today? I think I have to go with these two. I love them. They're so good, but it's hard to say because there were a lot of really good products in this set. I still have one more Sephora favorite set to go. It's the Sephora Favorites Good For You Clean Beauty Must-Haves. I'm going to be making this next, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.